Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to apply a coupon to your order that you're already placing on your Ovvi POS system. So first you're going to come and add all of the items that the client is buying from you. Once you're ready to apply the coupon, you're going to come to the purple button that says More Options. You're going to look for the Apply Coupon button, press it, and whatever you program in your back office as the allow coupons, maybe you have a special promotion for Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, or Christmas going on. For this example, what we have is a free appetizer. You come and select it. You're going to select the appetizer that they're getting, and the coupon is going to be applied to that when you run the transaction. If you would like to watch more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, like this video, and leave us any comments about future videos you would like to see. Thanks again for watching.